Hey guys, this is GrindingGarage, and in this video I will be converting the backwards riding mini bike back into a regular riding mini bike. I'm doing this because one of you suggested it to me, and I see that you're right. Winter is coming, and this thing is fun to ride on the street, but it's not made for the snow, and I'd love to be able to ride in the snow. So I'm going to be flipping the motor so it rides forward and I can plow through some snow this winter. Also, one of you suggested that I talk more in my videos, so I'm going to focus on trying to do that. Before we get this video started, I would like to give two special shout outs. One to Dylan Smith and another to that_kid5791. And before we say goodbye to this backwards riding mini bike for good, I'd like to ride it one last time. I bent one of the wheels. It's ready to come off. As I was coming down my neighbor's driveway, I landed right on this wheel. I think I'm gonna ride it till it breaks, and then I'll just finish what I started, and we'll convert it back to how it was. That's scary. I'm gonna break the other wheel off and then try to ride it with no training wheels. We'll see how that goes. I'm done riding, so it's time to start taking it apart. guys, that's all for part 1. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any, leave some suggestions. I'll catch you in the next one.